In this video, we're going to look at how you can easily find clips inside Premiere Pro sequences. Now, I'm here in my assembly workspace, and I have several clips here inside my project panel that exist in different Premiere Pro sequences. And what I'd like to do is easily find them in pretty busy timelines. This could be the case where you maybe have multiple sequences representing different commercial lengths, such as 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and even 10 seconds for social media. If you are in icon view, any used clip inside a sequence has this blue badge attached to it. And you can see here that this particular video has been used one time, versus this social media logins video, if I hover over the badge, is used 8 times throughout various sequences. Now, if I click on this badge, it will reveal all of the sequences as well as the times at which it appears. So you can see that in one of the sequences here, the Sling Studio intro, this particular clip exists 6 times. Let's go to the one at the 1 minute and 49 second mark in the timeline by clicking on it. And you can see there that it brings you right to that clip. It's awesome. You can see also if I click back on this social media logins clip, it exists in another sequence. And if I click on this one, it'll bring me to this new sequence and also reveal that clip in the timeline. Now you should know that you can also activate this in list view. However, the column that allows you to do this is hidden by default. So if you right click on any column header and choose to reveal the metadata display, let's reveal our Premiere Pro metadata. And what we're looking for is video as well as audio usage. So these are the two that I'm going to check. And once I press OK, if I press the tilde key to make the project panel bigger, I can see that I have a video usage column and the times that these clips show up in a particular sequence. Let's go to the Sling Studio Facebook Live, spelt rather incorrectly, and choose the second one here on the list, seeing that it does the exact same thing that we saw in icon view. And that's it. This is how you can find clips easily when it's spread throughout multiple sequences with the help of the video usage column in list view, as well as by clicking on that film strip badge when you're in icon view. I'm Nick from Creative 111, and I hope that you click that subscribe button to get more tips that are helpful just like this.